Hi guys, y'all cannot see me. Gabi di pagkog ako. Toto's here. Ato siya ga sleep over. O magi siya natug dito. Ato siya ga stay sa Amoa because we're going on a hiking. This is actually my very first time. This is my very first time nga mag-hiking jud og tinarong. Mo to misa Starbucks. Yeah. I always wanted to go there. Pero we go ban and then busy kayo. Karon kay nagkayayaan ang mga barkada. Pamili nilang sa akong friend, you know. So, wala kong itlog pero it's the essential. Bahalag ba't ikog na akong karon. As basta di lang ko makuyapan. I have enough air. Okay. I'm very excited. Update na lang ko if I'm still alive or ito. The last time I went on a hiking trip was like I don't even know when. Bro, I remember ko itong nagseryoso mag-hiking lang mama was bata pa kay Kwato. If you know Manggabon, and we walked how many big mountains padulong sa Sunog Balamban. If you know Sunog Balamban, yeah, from Manggabon to Sunog Balamban, kami dohang mama, kuya kong ihang student and my classmate that time. Like we were just 5. Duha ka student mama and then my classmate, which is student po ng mama sa una. Bro, yeah. And then I remember that I na po dito si Lolo, so we're like 6. Kami na po. Yung karon, daghan kami mga tog Starbucks. And there is kami sa Spartan. Yeah. Spartan. Bye-bye. So we're on our journey. Padulong na may sa Starbucks, like na ang way for Starbucks, and this is for the Spartan. So we were just waiting for our other kuyog right now. Hi, we arrived. Yeah, naanami sa Starbucks. Yeah, it's so nice. Namucho. Nice kayo, worth it na nagkakapoy. Like, grabe ang tangas. Grabe tangas kay siya. Kapoy kay siya. Look at how steep is the mountain. Kung sa ka-steep, mo pa ni mong katangas. Yeah. After ni mo dayon mix Spartan, ako mo dayon ko. Whatever will happen, bahalag mo kuyapan. At least sa katog Spartan. Diba? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Nandit kayo guys. Magtula Chigas view. Nandit kayo. Nandit kayo. Posting. Pinignit and hot dog with perlay. Lami guys. Lami ang pinignit. Lami po ang hot dog. Namali agianan diri masayon ang dool. But ato yun mini agi sa pinakalayo sa. Starbucks done. Off to Spartan. Spartan Trail.
Waterfalls.
Update. Nanami sa straight nga line but bumpy rough road. Yeah. in Spartan Trail. Nice kay guys. Definitely recommended. Okay? You have like stick. You can buy this for 20 pesos. Going to Starbucks. Yeah.
Kung may grip in your shoes.
Like if you can say nga, kaya rin ako ni no. You need the stick. Like no joke.
Slide jud ka.
I was like at first.
Ikaw gani ka slide ka.
I was like at first. Kaya naman ako ni. But girl. Grabe ang agianan jud, no joke. No kidding, grabe ang agianan. Like, amin ang agi ron. Hi guys, update again. Kay, naami diri sa kani-gani nga places sa Spartan Trail. We're waiting for our other kauban. And they're very layo pa because they're very hinay mang good because it's their first time in. Di pa sila nature. Anyway, so yan ang gate nila. Layo kay sila. Ano may dire. Unsa kay next road ano isa? Gonna update you. Mamatay na ko. Kanaming kadulong sa pamutan. Panamutan. Like, hapit na mi sa taas. But I don't know yet. Guys. Kanan na mi nakagawas sa trail. Spartan Trail. Grabe. No joke. If dili ka hilig lakaw, if you feel like ikapoy na ka sa Starbucks, undang na lang jud. I mean, okay ra kapoy for like feeling nimo nga kaya pa guro kay hapit na mas Spartan dili layo pa jud kay Spartan, no joke. Layo kayo. We were like 6 hours mi naglakaw. Naglakaw mi from house 3 p.m. The current is 10:56 up at 11. Nanami diri. There's a road. Worth it. Pero di na ako mabalik. Gakurog akong kamot, gakurog akong tiil, naglakpa ako, gakurog akong tiil. Grabe. Update. Nangaon na may lunch. It's currently 12:43. Nagsakay na lang may motorcycle. Okay. Grabe, layo pa dyan ay kaayo. Kami ka 1/4 na to that time. Sige, biglakaw. Gingapoy na kayo ko. Akong tiil. Kurog na jud. Kurog na jud ako lawas. Work anytime.
Kami ka 1/8.
Wala kami ka 1/8 jud ato. Gamay pa dyan kayo. Grabe ka layo, guys. Nya, wala namin sa Spartan. Ha? Padaw namin uli. Yung motor na. Nakaya na namin motorcycle. And then, right now, manami kaon. Kani-kani yung larangan diri sa punta. Manami kaon. Ang kaon yun, like, pag abot yun na mo, there's we order ilis, and then, while waiting sa order na mo, kay reheat. Ilis mi, pag naanang order, there's yun may lamon, like, no joke.
Bro, it was fun.
It was very fun, very worth it, pero kakakapoy.
Carla, lingaw man, per kapoy lang.
Yeah, very lingaw jud.
May lingaw naman ko, pero kapoy lang.
Kana gani memory nga ganahan mo balikan, pero di ka ganahan makapil sa kakapoy. Ina na siya kung napil. Kapoy jud. I don't think makaskila ko makalakaw ba ko ugmaan eh. Para